Previously we have seen how to calculate the trigonometric ratios, but we now also know that trigonometric ratios simply depend on the angle. So we are going to study in this lecture about trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So these specific angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, and based on that we will solve a few problems. So let us say that this is any angle theta and here the vertex is A. Also we have chosen a point P and we drop a perpendicular from P to this initial side. Let us say that this point is M. So PM becomes the perpendicular. So this actually becomes a right angle triangle with angle A as equal to theta. Now if we say that this angle reduces and becomes equal to 0, then what we actually observe here is theta is equal to 0 and PM actually becomes equal to 0. Also AP is equal to AM. Thus the hypotenuse actually becomes equal to the base. So we say that PM becomes equal to 0 and AP would be equal to AM. So sine of 0 degree, this angle would be equal to, we know that this is equal to height upon hypotenuse. Height is PM divided by hypotenuse, which is AP. Also PM is equal to 0, therefore sine of 0 degree would be equal to 0. Let's look at cos of 0 degree. We know that cos of theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Your base is AM and the hypotenuse is AP. We also know that AP is equal to AM. Therefore AM could be written as AP, and therefore the ratio of AP by AP is equal to 1, and thus cos of 0 degree would be equal to 1. Similarly, let's look at tan of 0 degree. Now tan of theta is equal to height upon base. Height is PM and base is AP. Also PM is equal to 0. Therefore tan of 0 degree would also be equal to 0. Thus when theta is equal to 0, we get sine of 0 degree equal to 0, cos of 0 degree equal to 1 and tan of 0 degree equal to 0. Now let us increase the theta from 0, and this is increasing up to 90 degrees. So for theta equal to 90 degrees, what we observe is M approaches to A, and therefore AM would be equal to 0. Also as M is coincident with A, therefore AP would be equal to PM. Thus when theta is equal to 90 degrees, we get PM equal to AP and AM equal to 0. Therefore sine of 90 degrees would be equal to height upon hypotenuse. Height is PM and hypotenuse is AP. Also PM is equal to AP, therefore this ratio would be equal to 1, and hence sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1. Let's take for cos of 90 degrees. Cos of 90 degrees would be equal to AM upon AP, but AM is equal to 0, and hence this would be equal to 0. And tan of 90 degrees would be equal to height upon base, which is PM by AM, but AM is equal to 0, therefore this quantity becomes undefined, and thus tan of 90 degrees is undefined. So for theta equal to 90 degrees, we get sine of 90 degrees equal to 1, cos of 90 degrees equal to 0, and tan of 90 degrees is not defined.